Hell yeah. It's actually been a month since I have not skated here. It's been a while since I've skated here at my hometown dojo of Tamuning. Let's get it. Look at this.
Angry Birds.
Yeah, sounds like Angry Birds.
Sounds like Angry Birds, right?
No. Let's.
You were doing it first.
Yes.
All right. All right, since it's kind of like coned out over here and I put the spacers on these aces, my crooks locking so good and so comfortable. I just need to round off the sides because if I don't land straight, I'm not able to like shred or kind of like tic-tac primo land in some sense of way, if that makes sense, with these wheels having it this way. But I'm telling you, the lock in this is just super chill, and I come out like really right. It feels good on ace and spits. Yeah, nice. Look at this cool new playground. They have a cool drum. How about this drums? How about the xylophone, Mikkel? Double. Nice. Cal, not there.
1, 2, 3, go. Go, go.
Man, what's happening? Ah, clean. I'm here at Tumuling with Aaron. Yo! Yeah. Yeah.
Masyado na akong malakas para sa mundo ng mga tao. Kailangan kong makapunta sa mundo ng mga halimaw. Wala na akong makakalaban dito.
Don't be fucking tagging up my fucking box and my fucking skate park. If you fucking suck, dude, I'm gonna cross you out, bitch. You like the OG fool? I don't know if that did.
Tomorrow, low-key. If Mark don't land this, he like sucking dick. Oh, he's doing pretty good. See, low-key. Huh?
Just kidding. Yeah.
He's still like dick, bro. He love my dick. He actually like bok choy. I was saying like you're gonna definitely land it, bro.
Hey, you're out? No. All right, documenting this board madness. I have these 4 completes that I skate, that I've been skating this year. I'm gonna mix them up again. I wanna start skating indies, but at the same time, I do miss the Spitfire shapes. So I'm gonna try to put this FA board to its original, I guess, setup, which was when I bought it for like, I think 20 bucks. And then I'm gonna try to put this Thunders on the 8, because they are 8, and then the Aces will go over to this. Just a little board madness again. We're gonna go ahead and mix it up. This is wild. I went ahead and changed out these spits because the ride patch is too wide. I mean, it's a nice stable ride, but it's not, it's good. These are not bad lock-ins. And then these old V3s, kind of drilled out or worn out, so I went ahead and switched this up. I got Aces and my old V3 bones, so this whole setup looks a little wider, but it's not. It's just, it's on an 8 board, 8 trucks, Ace, and it's a V3s, so it's very skinny, but it moves a little faster and slides a little better because these are 103As, and I like how they slide. So we're gonna session this for a bit. Also, I turned them around because they're coned out this way. These are too flat, so I'll round them off. A little craziness, but I like this. I want to try this setup.